Hey guys, are you wanting to buy best 3D pen? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best 3D pen that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 5, Min 3D MP32 3D printing pen. This is a nice 3D pen for kids. The bigger size and the low temperature really makes it ideal for little beginner artists. The MYNT 3D Junior is shaped to be the perfect size and shaped for smaller hands for hours of fun and entertainment. Conveniently charges with a micro USB cable and has a battery that will last long enough to power through long projects. Also, this 3D pen is absolutely foolproof. There are just 3 buttons that control operation. The first button turns the pen on and off. The second button loads and extrudes filament. And the third button unloads filament when you are finished using the pen. It really is that simple. Now number 4, Doodler Creators 3D printing pen. The world, discover a new way to create art, design and personalize objects. This versatile tool can help you design solutions for everyday problems. This 3D pen comes packed with 15 different colors of Doodler Create plastic refills and a comprehensive activity guidebook. This 3D pen comes packed with different colors of Doodler Create plastics and a comprehensive activity guidebook. Also, Doodler Create plastic is safe and non-toxic. The Create Plus 3D printing pen is compatible with Doodler Create 3 in PLA, ABS, and Flexi plastic only. Doodle for hours with this Doodler booklet that includes a wide variety of creatives project templates for you to make. Besides extrude, heated plastic that hardens almost instantly, so you can draw 3D structures, freehand or on stencils. Just plug the 3D pen in, insert Doodler Create plastic, wait for the 3D pen to heat up, and then you're good to go. Our third product is Min 3D OLED Display Printing 3D Pen. The MYNT 3D pen is USB powered so that it can be used with battery power banks. It features variable extrusion speed control and large OLED display to help monitor heat. The temperature can be adjusted from 130 to 240 C in 1 degree increments to help fine-tune the thickness and flow rate of extruded material. This drawing kit comes with a lightweight, ergonomic stylus, 3 colors of ABS plastic, and a 100-240 VAC50/60 HC adapter. It has a power output of 10 watts with an input power of 5 volts/DC2A, so it can be used safely outdoors as well. FCC CN Rose certified. Turn your ordinary drawings into 3D works of art. Also, the MYNT 3D pen is USB powered so that it can be used with battery power banks. Now our second product is Scrib 3D Pone 3D printing pen. The Scrib 3D Pone pen is temperature adjustable to accommodate multiple types of filament. The Pone ceramic nozzle and premium motor ensure safety and high performance without clogging. Equipped with 2-minute auto sleep function after 3D doodling stops, anti-clogging features, and intuitive controls ensure a seamless doodling experience, 1-year guarantee, and responsive customer service. The new Scrib 3D Pone 3D pen helps improve spatial thinking, creativity, and artistic skills. Great for quality family time and is a practical tool for making handmade gifts or decorations or for everyday fixes around the home. The Pone pen features a stepless speed function designed for optimal speed control no matter the task, whether slower, intricate projects or faster info work. And now our last choice is Doodler 3D pen. The Doodler Start Plus can help encourage creative endeavors and keep your child entertained at home for hours. As a tactile learning toy, the Doodler Start Plus inspires creativity, design, planning, building, and spatial understanding. The Doodler Start Plus combines art and design with technology in a fun and creative way. It's easy to use, uncomplicated technology drives engagement and comprehension of critical STEM subjects. The Doodler Start Plus Essentials pen set combines art and design with technology in a fun and creative way. It's easy to use, uncomplicated technology drives engagement and comprehension of critical STEM subjects. With the press of a button, plastic extrudes and hardens rapidly, allowing kids to literally create anything. Also, this Doodler Start Plus 3D pen comes packed with different colors of Doodler Start Plus plastics and a comprehensive project booklet. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.